Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over what an absolute reference is in Excel. We will start in cell L8 and calculate the sales tax for each order. I'm going to show you the first way that most people would assume to do this, and then I will show you the correct way and have you guys follow along with me. So let's start by going to cell L11. We'll type an equal sign. We'll choose our first order amount, which is going to be the 899 number. Multiply that. So Shift 8 on your keyboard gives you the asterisk symbol. And we are going to do that by our sales tax, which is the 6%. Go ahead and hit enter. And then we can drag this down with our autofill handle. You'll notice it works fine for the first one, but as it fills down, we get a value and then we get zeros. So let's check what's happening. So if we click on the 5398 and go to the Formula tab and trace precedence, this will show us it's pulling the correct order amount and it's pulling the correct sales tax. But now let's say we choose a random cell and do the same thing. It's pulling the correct order amount, but it's not grabbing the correct sales tax. And this is because it's moving down each time the formula is filled. So let's clear all of this and we are going to start this again. Let's start by going back to L11, typing equals order amount, and then Shift 8 again to get multiplication. We're going to choose our sales tax. And now, before we hit enter, we have to make cell M9 an absolute reference. So what is an absolute reference? It is a reference that makes the cell a fixed location, so it does not change when it's moved, copied, or filled. So to do this, we have to put a $ in front of the column and the row. So we can do F4 on our keyboard, and that'll automatically do it for us, or we can manually put the $ in front of the M and in front of the 9. Now go ahead and hit enter. And if we use our autofill handle to drag this down, you can see everything was calculated correctly. So let's just check this to make sure it's working. We'll choose a random cell, trace precedence, and you can see it's pulling the correct order amount and the correct sales tax. Okay, I'm going to remove those arrows. The next thing they want us to do is in cell M8, calculate the order amount and the tax for each order. So simply we're going to add two columns together. So we'll start in M8. We'll type equals the order amount plus the tax amount and hit enter. And again, we can drag this down so it fills in for all of our rows.